In this video, I want to show you how to connect a wired headphones to your iPhone 17, 17 Air, and also 17 Pro. So obviously these iPhones only have a USB Type-C port down below, so we'll have to connect it here. And they sell these adapters over here. It's made by Apple. It's simply a USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. I'll put a link down below if you don't have one. Simply connect one end over here. Whoops, I launched my camera up. And then connect your headphones to the adapter, just like that. Now, there's a good chance that when you do this, you're gonna get accessory connected. Unlock iPhone to use accessory. So we're gonna unlock the iPhone. So over here you have headphones or other devices. These are some headphones, so I'll click headphone. If you drag down from the top right corner, here it's your music that is supposed to be playing, you know, if you have launched something. And down below you're going to see USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. Tap on it and you'll be able to switch if, let's say, you want to use your speakers to iPhone speakers instead, and change back to USB Type-C to 3.5mm if you want to switch back to your headphones. So this is it. You're going to control your volume the same way you're using the buttons on the side, and it will work right away. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.